Right, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily remove background. So this video is going to be very short, and I'm going to show you how to just remove your background for free and no strings attached or anything attached. It's not the type that you're going to remove and you do 3 you have to pay. Okay, so first of all, we need this website called adobe.com, which Adobe is very popular. I've been doing, Adobe have been doing great job. So you need Adobe. You go to type www.adobe.com. Then the next thing is that you have to sign up with your Gmail or your own email address, and it's free. Okay, so when you do that, the next thing that you go to creativity and design. When you go there, the next thing you want to do is that you want to go and choose Adobe Express. Okay, so when you go to Adobe Express, let me say a little bit about Adobe Express. So Adobe Express is more like the Canva aspect of Adobe. Okay, and it's cloud based, and it's 100% for free. Okay, and it's 100% for free. Okay, so when you come here, the next thing is that I want to go down. Okay, let me know in the comments, okay, if you want me to do other tutorials on Adobe Express, okay, how you can use their their design platform, okay, to do flyers and stuff. I'll be looking out in the comment section. If you want me to do something like that, I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Okay, so you go down, okay, and what you want to do is that you're going to choose remove background. Okay, so one thing about this is very simple, very straightforward. So the next thing is that you want to, as it loads, this is how it's going to be. So you just have to load it, but make sure that it should not exceed 70 megabytes. Okay, so I'm going to pick one video of mine. Okay, this the one photo of mine. This is a plumbing photo. Let me do it big so that you can see how it is, and let's see how it's going to crop it. Okay, so this is it. So the next is that I'm going to pick it, go there, and then drop it. So what it's going to do is now it's going to remove the background. So boom, this is it. Now when you are done, you can just download it, because maybe you are not used to Adobe. You can just download it, and then let's look at what we have. All right, so basically this is it. You can see that it's done the cropping very nice and clean. One beautiful thing about it is that you can just, when you are done, you can just go to Adobe Express, and you can start using it to work in real time. Now one good side about this is this: with this one, there are a lot of advantages than Canva. With Canva, if you want to crop, you have to have a premium, but this one, everything is virtually free. So you might want to check it out, and you can use it to do your own design. That's the beauty of it, and all is embedded in one platform. So let me know your thoughts. If you want me to do a detailed tutorial on Adobe Express, I'll be more than happy to do that for you.